Welcome to Code and Destination day 45 here. So guys, we are done with the topic called quantitative aptitude. So here onwards, we just want to move with the reasoning topic and as well as a soft skills topic. Okay. So going forward, we having the topic today that is called coding and decoding. It is one of the very popular topic inside the reasoning because so whenever it comes in the questions, it will not come for a one single mark. It will definitely come for the multiple marks, we would say. So that much of importance you need to give it to the coding and decoding. Going to this particular topic, guys, you need the only one thing called speed. If you are solving the problem in terms of the speed, guys, you are fast enough. You got it? So that much it is important in the sense you need to be solve the problem in logically in the quick way. That is the only thing the decoding and decoding is expecting from you. Okay, guys. So going forward, we having some certain categories like the coding and decoding will come in the three different way. Okay. So the first thing we can able to call it as the way of alphabet coding, alphabet based on the alphabet and based on the numbers, based on this symbol, based on the alphanumeric symbol. Okay, so they will give you some coding. You need to decode it based on the pattern. Understanding the pattern is a prime important thing here in the coding and decoding here always. So finding the number is easy. Finding the alphabet will take time. Finding the symbol also it will take time. Okay. Alphanumeric is also take time. Coming to this number decoding, it is take less amount of time when comparing to the all other category which you can able to see here in this one. Got it, guys? I'm going to the next one. You see, this is the order of alphabet. Okay. So we have written in the forward position and the backward positions. So if you memorize this one, and you need to keep it very strong. So then only you can able to answer this one and you can able to put in the proper time. You can able to interrupt it. But what many people will do is that at the time of examination, they will write on the paper and they will just try to see this one that will not going to give the interpretation when they want to deal with the questions. That will not work. So going to this one, guys, you see this one, there is in a certain languages, if an entry is coded is as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the steady is coded as 9, 3, 1, 7, 8, 5 like what we can able to say, then which is the correct code for the word below that called neatness we can able to say here in the place. Okay, so we having the following options, but we just want to see about here what is the value correct name of neatness, how we can able to call the neatness. You see this one, so I'm just writing here neatness. So you see this one, guys. So n, we just want to find the code for n. Okay. So you see this one, we having the one value called n. Here we don't have any word called n. So the n is stand here and the letter called 2. So then 2 will come here. And e at the same time, you see this one, here it is 1 and here also it is a 1. So the probably e will come as 1. And a only here only it is coming here. So then probably it is a 7. Okay, and next one, that is a T they have mentioned. The T stands for here two places. One is this and this one is this. Here it is a third place. Here it is a second place. That probably the T stands for the number called 3. Again N stands for the 2 again. E stands for again 1 again. And S, you see this one, S is only one place it is came. That for the two times, then you can able to call the S is equal to 9 and 9. So the probably then the answer is called 217 321 99 is the possible answer we can able to say here in this place. So very quickly you just want to find out. This is a very direct question. You don't want to interrupt it here. You don't want to identify the pattern here because each time the letter is coming in the one time only. And probably it is not a very long letter. It is a very small letter to find out the pitch very quickly with respect of the question they are asking called the neatness. Okay. So the probably here that the option we can able to go for, that is option B is a very correct answer in this one. You got it, guys? So this is how you can able to manipulate the answer here in this one. Okay. And I hope you clearly understand about this pattern, how we are finding this one. Okay. So going for the next question, guys. You see this one, that is they have given that, so 247 means by spread red carpet. So 256 means we can able to call it as dust one carpet. So 236 means we can able to call it as a one red carpet. So which digit in that code means dust? So dust means what? So dust means what? That is the point they are asking here in the place. So first of all, what is the common point here? You just want to find out. So you see this one here, it is 2 is coming. Here also 2 is coming. Here also 2 is coming. Okay, the first major number coming the 2 in the 3 places. Okay, 3 places it will come in this one. So then you just want to find out which word is generating the 3 times consecutively. That is belongs to the number called 2. Okay, so going to this one, you see this one, carpet and carpet, 3 carpet. Then the word called 2, we can able to call it as the carpet. Okay, so but we need the value of dust. So dust, how I can able to find out? So dust one carpet. You see this one, dust one carpet. So then we just want to think it up. The 1 is indicating the 6. Okay, so the 1 is indicating the 6 because the dust is coming for one time only. You see the all the sentence here. So spread red carpet and dust one carpet, one red carpet. Here in the place, dust is coming for the only one place. You see this one here we having the 1. Here also we having the 1. So the probably the only the 6 is the number call. We can able to go for the 1 probably. Okay, but coming to the point, we can take it up. The 5 we can able to call it as a dust. So this is how you just want to point out the answer of this question. Everyone clear, guys? So this is also very easy one. Okay, so please make sure you understand this one, guys. Okay, so going to the next question is a very interesting question and you can able to find out very easily. Okay, you don't want to read this much thing, but if you read, it will build you some confidence about the question. A train is called bus. So again, bus is called tractor. Tractor is called car. So car is called scooter and scooter is called bicycle. So bicycle is called moped. So which is used to plough a field. So ploughing a field means we will definitely say that tractor is the thing. But the point is that, so what is called tractor? Tractor is called car. Okay. So many people have confused here. So whether I want to call the bus is called as tractor. You see this one? Bus is called as tractor or tractor is called as car. Which I need to pick it up. That is the very different, different thoughts they will have in their mind to picking the correct answer here in this one. So the definitely you just want to take that is called tractor is called. If you want to define, you not to redefine by the value. That is called tractor is called car. Like what you just want to say. So that is option. Sorry. Option D is the very correct answer. We can able to move forward here. Okay, make sure you're doing this one. And so next one, guys, you see this one. If in a certain code language, you see this one, Oka Peru, so means fine cloth. Mita Lisa means a clear water. Dona Lisa Peru, we can able to call it as a fine clear weather. So which words in the language means weather? Okay, what does the mean of weather? So again, I'm told right. So the first thing you just want to check here, how many repetition is coming here. This is the first task you want to do. If you're directly going and approaching to finding the weather, you will get confusion. You need to break down the simple value and you need to find out the thing. Then it will become very smooth and very fast. If you're directly approaching the weather and approaching that one in terms of finding the keywords, it will not work, sir. So going for it, you just see what is a common word. You see this one? So Oka Peru, okay, and Mita Lisa, okay, and so Peru. So you see this one? So we having the Peru for 2 times, okay, and Lisa for 2 times. Okay, that is a one thing we just want to see here in the place. You see, so that we can able to say that. So Oka Peru means so fine cloth. So Lisa, Meta Lisa means it's a saying that the thing called clear water. And Dona Lisa means that's called fine clear water. So then we can able to say that Peru, we can able to say that directly as fine. Because see this one, Oka Peru means it's defining the fine. And here also Peru is coming. Here also we having the fine. So that probably Peru is indicating the word called fine. Okay. And next, they are giving that the thing like Lisa. For the Lisa, what is a common word? You see this one, meter Lisa is clear water. Here also that is saying that clear. Okay, so clear. That's what the thing. But we need the word here called, so Dona Lisa Peru means fine clear water. Okay, so we know that fine means it belongs to the Peru, clear means it's Lisa, and weather means it's what? We can definitely say that that is called Dona. So the Dona is the thing we can able to call it as the weather for it. Okay, guys. So there is option D is a very correct answer we can able to say here in the place. Okay. So going to the next question, you see this one. So that is if the wall is called window, window is called floor, door. Okay, and door is called floor, and floor is called roof, and roof will call ventilator. What will be the person stand on? What will be the person stand on? That is the question they are asking here in this one. So which will be your answer? So definitely the answer is called what? That is floor is called, okay, floor is called roof. Okay, floor is called roof. Like what you need to define. So again saying many people will confuse and mark the wrong answer here. You need to always define the predefined. So then it will give you one statement. That statement is the only correct answer here. If you're directly picking the direct statement, it is going to be the wrong one. Please don't ever try that. Okay. So the probably here that the option D is the correct answer. Okay. So going for the next question, guys. You see this one? That is a passion. Fashion is coded as fashion. Okay. And problem is coded at how? First of all, you need to understand this pattern, how this is working. If you take it out, the fashion here, FASHION. Okay, done. So the F is same. Next one, they are giving it as OI. You see this one? IO is here. That IO will come this side as OI. Okay, so it is reverse here. OI it is come. And the high just remains same. And you see this one? There's yes will become this side. And it is called it as SA and N. Like what it is coming here. So same like if you take it up, guys, that problem PROBLEM, like what you take into this one. I'm taking the first letter called P will remain state. And here LE is there, right? If you take this side, it will come it as EL, PEL. Okay. And B will remain same. So you see this one RO, if it has come this side, it will call it as OR and M. So PEL bomb. So this is the answer of the thing we can able to call it as here in this one. So make sure you take it out. The option A is the very correct answer in this question. So you see, if you understand the pattern, how much quickly you can able to get the answer also, that much frequently. Okay. So please kindly take it down, guys. This is a very important thing we can able to consider here in the place. Okay. So going for the next question, there is in a certain code, the range is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the random is coded as 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, like what we can able to call it as here. Then what will the NANOT will be coded as? So NANOT will be coded as. So you see this one, they are giving the range. The range we can able to call it as 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 letters, 5 things. And so that probably we can able to say that is RAN stands for 1, 2, 3. You see this one RAN. So here also RAN 1, 2, 3. Here also RAN. It is 1, 2, 3. And here G comes. G means we can able to call it as 4. Okay. So E means we can able to call it as 5 based on the question. According to here, D means we can call it as 6. So O means we can call it as 7. M means we can able to call it as 8. Okay. It is not in the alphabetical order. It is a logical order based on the questions. Okay. So the point is that they are asking the NANOT. So N is equal to what? What will be the N come? N will come as 3. And A is for 2. Okay. And R, here we having R, right? 1. And again N, that is 3 again. A again. A is 2 again. So D is equal to what? 6. So that is 3 to 1, 3 to 6. That is a possible answer. Option A we will go for here. So that is a very correct answer in this one. 3 to 1, 3 to 6 is the possible answer. We can able to generate here in the place. Hope you guys clear in this one. Clear? Done. So going for the next question. You see this one? In a certain coding pattern, the word grape is coded as FQZOD. And the phone will be coded as what? This is the logic which will play. Remaining all the question, you can able to find the direct logic behind it very easily by reading out that one. But coming to this question, You must have to think like in the interpretation. Okay, let's see what it will happen. So the grape is coded as FQZOD. You see this one? How we can able to say this? The logic, you see this one. So every terms of this one, it is became one letter back. So FGQRZAOPDE. You see this one? It is just one letter behind this one. That is the logic. That is a one letter behind all this one. Okay. The same like if you're writing it up, that is a phone like what I'm writing here. And so the one letter behind it is means we can able to call it as how. That is OP. EFGH. Okay, G will come, right? GH. And here that is so MNO. Okay, N will come. Okay, and here that is M will come. Here it is definitely that is a D will come. So OGNMD is the answer. OGNMD is the very fine answer we can able to go for it. So option B is the very correct answer we can able to say here in the place. Okay, guys. So hope you clear with this question. I'll move for the further thing. Okay. So in a certain coding pattern, the word, the tone is coded as SMOJ. So which word will be coded as a BMUKL? Okay. So TORN. I'm writing a TORN. Is writing it as SMOJ. You see this one? It is a one letter again. So ST. MNO. Okay, MNO. If you see this one, OM it will not come. OM. So A B C D F G H I L M N N O not here. It is a one letter. It's a one letter advance. This is a two letter advance. You see this one. So OPQ. It's a three letter advance. Okay, and ABCD it's a four letter advance. We can able to say this one. So this is how the thing. The logic of the pattern is coming here. This one. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 like it will come here in this one. 1 2 3 4 like it will placing here. So then if I'm writing here BMUKL, if I writing here, this is a four letter word, but this is a five letter word. So then here how it will come is +1 +2 +3 +4 and +5. So after the B, how many letters called 1? So that is after this P, there is a one letter called C. After the M, a two letter we can able to call it as O. After the U, three letter we can able to call it as what? UVX. Okay, so that is X. And after the K, how many letters called 4? We can able to call it as O again. After the letters L, if you're taking the 5 letters, we can able to call for the Q. So that probably that is COXOQ. That is a possible answer we can able to say here in this place. That is option C is the very correct answer in this one. You got it, guys? This is the pattern. You just want to use it here to find out the logic. All the logic, interpreting the value, it will take some time. Okay. So practice this one. Keep some common template on your mind so that you can able to solve it in a little bit faster than the thing you are expected. Got it, guys? I'll go for the further questions. So there is a certain code language that is computer is coded as RFU. So VQM, like what it is defined here. How will be the medicine will be written in that code language? That's what the thing they have given on this one. First of all, check it out. How many letters are given? So 3, 6, and here also 3, 6. But here it is 8 letters. Okay. So computer. It's like computer, but they are writing it as RFUVQM. First of all, you just want to identify what is a common difference. The code, the word that we have obtained by taking the immediate following letters. So the first and last letters they have given in this one in the reverse order. You're just checking here. What is a major thing they are done? Okay. What is a major thing if you're done? If you're checking the logic here, you see we having the M here. We having the R here in this one. So they take the R this side and the M this side. Okay. And all the letters is also shifted this side. Once they shifted this one, what they did is that they changing the value. Okay. So they are writing the R here and then we having the E, right? If it has come this side, they are calling it as for F. Okay. And then, So U remains same. So the P will go that side. So U remains same. So the T will become like a 2-digit number. That is a it will become a T EST U. Okay, that is a T is also come this side, and it will become a U. And then you see this one that they are taking the value of Q. Okay, the U will become a V. Okay, and the P will come this side. It is for the Q, and the M that side is the none. We can take it as for this side. So this is how the value they have given in this one. Also, if you take it up for the medicine, so what is the thing that in the extreme corners they are just lapsing, they are just replacing their position, but not changing the name of the letters. But in the middle of the letter, they are changing the position and as well as changing the letters as well as. Okay, so if you take it out, the medicine, so E will come this side and M will come this side. Okay, so that is for, you see this one. So E M. So the probably either it is option B is correct or D is correct. None of them, that is A and D, A and C is not correct. Okay, so going to this one. Next one, you take the N this side. So N, if it is come there, it will call it as what? So M N O. Okay, O we can call it as. And next I, after the I J. J will come, right? So J will come. Okay, so I cancel, N cancel, and then so C comes here. What is the C will comes here? C will comes like D here. It will come, and then if you check the D and J, it will come, right? So the E D J. So E O D J. Okay, like what it will come this one. Okay, so that probably the M is coming here in the place. Okay, so once you deal this one, we can able to consider the value with respect of the thing that which they didn't give anything. That's a J. It will come. And then, so after the, so D, we can able to call it as E will come here. E, F, M. Okay, like what we can able to say here in the place. Medicine. Okay, medicine. Okay, so medicine, it should be like this. Okay, so this is the format we can able to say here in the place. E, O, J, D, J, E, I mean, E, F, M. E, F, M, that's a possible answer. E, O, J, D, J, E, F, M. Okay, so this is the possible answer we can able to derive here this one. I hope you clearly understand about the logic which we have deal here in this one. We'll go for the next question. That is pitna so means bring me water. Najo toad means water is life. Tubot pit, give me toy. Jolin coat, life and death. Which of the following represent is that in language? That is a deal. In the question we can able to see this up. Okay, what is the meaning of, so what is the, which of the following represent is in the language? You see this one, how many is there? Only one is here, that is water is life. Is there any word other than here? Water is life, that is only one word we having here in the place. Nothing is there. Water is the life is the only one word we having here in the place. So what we need to do here, that is we just want to compare same like here. What is a unique word we having? So here na is coming. So then na will not come. So is there toad is coming here anyway? So toad is life. Is there anything? So life is coming for the Joe. You see this one, Joe is coming for the life. So that if you take that, if you take this particular sentence, guys, na Joe toad. Okay, like what if you take it up, that the thing like it is giving that water is life. We can able to say here in the place. So going to this one. You see this one, so the na, it is defining in the first sentence, but we don't know what is the name of the sentence. It should be water. Okay, so na should be the water. Okay, and next one, if you see this one, we can able to call it as Joe. So Joe means it's indicating the life, because this is the only place it is coming here, and also here it is indicating the life. So that probably the Joe is indicating the word called life here in this one. And next we can able to take it up is. So is stands for the word we can able to call it as the thing called toad. Okay, so the toad is the only possible answer we can able to say. So that this is how the thing you just want to find out here in this one. So make sure you copy down very clearly, guys. It will work. Okay, so going to the next question. You see this one. They have given that. So ESOR is coded as so 6821. So RIAHC is coded as 73456 and preach is coded as 961473. What is a word called? So search. How we can able to find out? So then you see this one, you don't want to take the same value here. That is, You see this? We can directly approach this question here. Search. So yes is there anywhere? Yes is we having here in the place of this. Okay. So yes, we see this one. If you take like this, ESOR is coded as 6821. Okay. RIAHC is coded as 73456. Preach is coded as 961,473, like what they have done here, this place. Okay. You see, we can able to take it as very clearly. If you're making the mistakes, just nothing will happen. If you're observing the word, each alphabet will correspond to the thing of the certain place or a number. Okay. So if you say this one, that is yeses, yes, we can able to say that yes is coded as in the place of 2. Okay. And next, if you see this one, E, it is the coded in the place of 1. Okay. So you need to prefer this one only. Okay. So you shouldn't prefer this one. This is finished, but so this is derived by this one. But once you want to find this one, you must have to take this only. Okay. So E is equal to 1 we are saying here. And then A, is there A is here? A is there. Okay. So A, they are calling here as 4. You see this one? It is saying it 4. And next one. So R is there? Yes, R is there. So R is calling it as 6. 6. And then, so C is there, right? Yeah, C is there. So C stands for the word called 7. And I just stand for the word called 3. Okay, this is how the value you just want to made it here in this one. Else it will become a wrong answer for the thing to define this one. So that probably the answer we can able to call it as 214673. Hope you guys clear in this one. You need to check with only the thing which respect to the very previous one. If it is not, it will become the wrong answer. Okay, guys. So going to the next question. According to the military code, they are calling it a system. System as sysmet. Nearer as an error. Okay. So fraction is what? So that's what the thing they have given in this one. First time you see this one, they are twisting this particular portion and they are making like met. And here it is taking like nearer. Okay, they are taking the like the word called RER is same, and they are changing this one. So NEA instead of the AEN they are placing here this one. So then for the fraction, how I can able to take it up? Fraction. Okay, we have in the word called fraction. How I can able to take it up? I need to take like that is both. You need to take like both. That is CRAF. Okay, and here NOIT. Like what you just want to take it up. Just a reverse you, like twisting the whole letter. I can able to call it as like this. This is what the military code. I don't know that really they are using the military code, but the question's sake they have given the military code. I don't know what really they are using in the military code properly, but still you can able to see this one in the question. One side it is turned and another side is turned. The third time it is turned in every side. That's what the thing they have given here. Okay. So going for the next question, guys. Should is written as so RGNTKC. So PQ is written as OHJT and molding can be written at the code of what? So that is the thing they have given in this one. So how we can able to write out this one? So first molding. I'm writing here molding. Molding is written in what language? So RP. Okay, every letter it is just moving one step back. Okay, so that's what the thing we can consider here. You see this one PQ is here. PQ means it is rating as one letter back. So that is OHJT. So OP, HI, JK, TU. It's all one letter back. Then here it will come as what? LM. Okay, LM. Next, here it is NO. And here it is definitely called TU. And here A, B, C, D, F, G, HI, how much? I said JK. K will come, right? So JK. And then, so here C will come. And here IJK. Okay, IJK. H will come here, and here M will come. Here it will come as F. So that probably that is LNT, KCH, MF. Like what we can able to define here in the place. This is the possible answer. So make sure you copy down, guys. This is a very important one. Okay. So hope you understand about the topic which we are dealing here in this question. So only one more questions. You see this one? That is, they are saying that the 3a, 2b and 7c is means by, so the truth is eternal. So 7c, 9a and 8b, 3a means the enmity is not eternal. So they are asking the word called enmity. Okay, enmity is coming in this place. Okay, so you just want to check what are the things that get repeated. So is coming repeated. Okay, is coming repeated. Okay, here also we having the is, and here also we having the eternal. Okay, so then you want to check what is a common term which here and there. So that, so here it is 3a is there, so 3a is there, and 2b is there, and 7c is there. Okay, so that, so 3a and 7c is here. Okay, so it may be either it is 3a or 7c. We don't know what it is, because if you take the first and second sentence, we having the only the few things here. So coming to the truth, so truth means we can able to definitely say that that is called 2b. So the truth means we can able to say directly called 2b. Okay, and my point is that to find out enmity. So the NPT, you see this one, guys. So among this one, is and eternal is the common thing. Okay, so then 3a and 7c will occupy the word called eternal. Okay, sorry, is eternal. Is and eternal will come here in this one. Okay, and coming to the truth, we are finding that that is called so not. But my point is that to find out the enmity. Okay, so enmity, before you finding out the enmity, you just want to check 3a is not. Okay, 3a is not. 7c is also not. Is there 9c is here? No. So 9c is also not. So then it should be 8b is the only possible answer we can able to call it. So this is how the thing you just want to find out here in the question. Okay, guys. So I think, guys, we are done with the coding and decoding in all the aspects here. So make sure you practice this one and making yourself in the practice and have the logic first of all in your mind. So how I can able to decode? Don't write the value of the letters and name of the letters and the position of the letters in the question. Make sure you're writing the questions. I mean, in your mind. That's a very important thing. Okay, if you're making a practice on like that, it's a very important one you can able to focus on here. Okay, guys, so we are done with the topic. We will see you in the next class. So that probably we are done. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.
Hey, I'm super excited to inform you that in last 2 months we've been able to conduct around 50 drives and around 100 plus students have been selected for various MNCs. The packages are ranging from 3.5 to 10 lakhs. Stay tuned for more information by subscribing us on our YouTube channel, by liking our social media platforms like Facebook, Insta and LinkedIn. Thank you.